So in today's video, I'm going to be trying an entire makeup look without using foundation and instead using concealer. Let's get into it. I think what I noticed about using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers is that they dry really quickly, and so it was I felt like it was really difficult to move the concealer around the skin to apply it in the way that I would foundation. So maybe I'm using the wrong concealer, and maybe next time I'll try a different brand of concealer. But with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, they're meant to stay in place, and I think they do a very good job at staying in place. It's just that unfortunately I felt like I was tugging my skin to blend everything in. So that's my one piece of feedback, but outside of that, I think it went really well. This is a nice simple look, quick and easy, and I think it looks cute. Would I do this again? Absolutely, but with a different brand of concealer. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop is meant to be just that, a concealer, stay in place when you need it for the highlight, for contour, for correcting. But outside of that, I don't find it very movable. It was very hard for me to blend it all out, and I think that's because it dries really quickly. As it should, it's a concealer, right? I was just trying this out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at I am Zinzi. Catch you in the next video.